Today we're talking about the changes in alimony, and honestly the changes in alimony aren't that substantial unless you're talking about the tax implications. So we still need to figure out, is there a supporting spouse, is there a dependent spouse, and does the supporting spouse have the ability to pay the dependent spouse a sum of money over a period of time? What's really become a hot topic is how is it paid with tax implications. So in 2018, it was just a couple months ago, the dependent spouse would receive support payments that were ultimately taxable income to her, he or she. So if he or she received $1,000 per month, they might receive $650 to $700 in their pocket after it's been taxed, and the paying spouse was actually getting a deduction on that. That all went away in 2019. So now in 2019, the paying spouse no longer gets the deduction, and the spouse that's receiving the support payments can no longer claim it as taxable income, which is good. But the question is, how does that alter the amount that we might negotiate upon, or you might see from a judge? So again, in 2018, if you were actually receiving cash in hand of $650, the question now in 2019 is, well, why would I pay more than $650? Simply because of the tax changes. So you have to kind of ask this question. So when you sit down with an attorney or your CPA, and you start going through these questions about how do I handle alimony, what should I expect to be paying, how does it impact me personally, and then in the inverse, I need spousal support payments. How does this come to me? Will it be taxable? How will I receive it? Those questions are very important, and the tax implications are most certainly have changed, and there's a little bit of confusion on how we're going to implement that in the courts, but most attorneys have a good handle on that. So you should schedule a consultation, maybe give us a call and sit down with us, and we'll walk you through that process.